Eating her first cinnamon food. It's baby cinnamon apples and oatmeal. Okay? She's very excited. But I think the cinnamon is weirding her out.
What is that?
Want to try again?
Try one more.
Try some more cinnamon? Okay, a little bit more.
All right, one more time.
Let's see if it's the cinnamon, because you like it. You like it.
Maybe not. Is that good? Yeah. Hi.
One more. It's too cute. Alright, one more cinnamon for you. Oh, that one was fine.
You like that?
I think you're getting used to it. Yay! Yay! You're getting used to the cinnamon.
Good baby.
Good baby.
Bye.